Hi, my name is Kaitlyn, and I'm an attorney with Murray Osorio. And today I'm going to walk you through how to make an inquiry with the National Visa Center. So, an NVC inquiry. Generally speaking, for consular processing, the majority of your work or communication with NVC is going to be through the CEAC, the Consular Electronic Application Center. So through here is where you're going to upload your documents, pay your fees, and submit your consular processing application. However, sometimes there are going to be instances where you need to make an inquiry. Just like you would make an inquiry with USCIS, when your case is with the National Visa Center, that's where you're going to make the inquiry. So some of the main reasons, or not even main, but some examples of reasons why people would need to file or want to file an NVC inquiry are a delay in receiving the consular interview date, or a delay in having your case transferred from USCIS to the NVC. Another example would be to get confirmation that documents were received if there were some issues around that communication. Annual contact to avoid termination of a petition, or another example is if you need to change the location of your visa interview. So let's say, for example, you are a citizen of country A, but you are currently living in country B and you have residence there. So you want to have your interview in country B where you live. You could make that request using the inquiry form. So to begin your inquiry, you need to gather some documents. So you're going to need your NVC case number or your USCIS receipt number. You're also going to need to gather whatever supporting documents you need for your request. So if we're doing this example that I just gave about someone wanting to change the location of their consular interview, you would, in that situation, for example, get proof that you are residing in country B where you want your interview. So then you're going to come over here. You are going to use your NVC case number. Okay, so here I have a redacted NVC notice. So your name and address are going to be up here. Your NVC case number is going to be here. It's 3 letters followed by 6 numbers. And then underneath there'll be your invoice ID number. So here, this is the notice of immigrant visa case creation. Your NVC case number might also be on some other documents, but this is the main document that you want to find. All right, so this number is redacted, right? So we're not going to use it, but you'll find yours here. And then you'll come back to the inquiry form. You'll pop in that number. And so if you don't have the number yet, you're going to use the USCIS case receipt number. Then you'll put in the name of the person who's coming to the United States. So if that's me, I'm going to put my full name as it appears on my passport in that box. So I'll write Kaitlyn and my last name, date of birth, then the petitioner's full name here. So for example, if it's an I-130, like I sponsored my husband who lives in a different country and I'm the US citizen, then I would put my name here. All right. And then you want to indicate who you are. So you're either the petitioner, the applicant, the attorney, or other. So indicate that, pop in your full name, your email address, and then your inquiry here. So here is where you would type in what you need to happen. So for example, it could be, I am a citizen of country A, and now I am a resident of country B. So I would like to have my interview in country B. I am attaching proof of my residency in country B, for example. Then you're going to upload that evidence to the attachments toggle, fill in the CAPTCHA, and submit. So once you've submitted, you should receive an immediate email confirmation and a copy of what you've submitted. And then after some time, you'll receive an answer from NVC. So their response times do vary, but in my experience, even with delays, you're still looking at a few weeks maximum. So hopefully that has helped clear up how to do an NVC case inquiry. And feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to them. And also, if you would like to do a private one-on-one consultation with either me or another attorney at our firm, feel free to either call or email us. And if you mention that you found us on YouTube, we will give you 50% off of our consultation fee. Thanks for joining.